Meet Tom, a factory worker who works rotating night shifts. For years, he struggled with the same problem every shift worker faces. How do you stay alert when your body thinks it should be sleeping? But here's what's crazy. Tom discovered that the problem isn't staying awake during your shift. The real problem is what happens to your sleep cycle when you get home. Most shift workers try to flip their entire schedule on days off. But that's like giving yourself jet lag twice a week. Your body never adapts. So Tom tried something different. He started using what sleep scientists call anchor sleep, keeping the same 4-hour core sleep window every single day, whether he's working or not. But that's not even the best part. The best part is how he stays alert during those critical hours between 3 a.m. and 6 a.m. when most errors happen. Instead of fighting his natural rhythm, he works with it. He uses strategic light exposure, bright light during the first half of his shift, then dimmer light as morning approaches. This tricks his brain into thinking it's still daytime. The results? He's been accident-free for 18 months. His family says he's more present on his days off, and he just got promoted. Now imagine if every shift worker knew this system. Hospital errors could drop by 40%. Truck drivers would have fewer accidents. Factory workers would go home safe every night. The question is, how many more people need to suffer from shift work sleep disorder before we start teaching these techniques in training programs?